When it comes to robotic welding, there's one thing that's more important than the robot actually doing the welding. Now, I've done some videos talking about how robotic welding is beneficial in the production process. What is the most important thing about robotic welding? And I'm about to get into that. I made a video about some of the pros when it comes to robotic welding and how, it affects quality and all those good things. So, check us out on LinkedIn, check out our YouTube channel and all that stuff for more content around this. But the main and most important thing is not actually the robotic welding, but it is the weld fixture. Why? Because the components have to be designed to be able to hold and even torque and modify your product into position. So let's say, for instance, you're designing, or let's say you're manufacturing some product that's a thinner sheet metal, and whenever it comes off of your stamping press, there's some variation in the quality of that stamping. Now, some processes and some products, it's easy to tweak your stamping, or it can be easy to tweak your stamping. A lot of times you have to go through stamping press changes and change your molds in your stamping die or whatever.